You have a lot of choices when it comes to knife sharpening gear. Whether it's the whetstone that we've used for many, many years, that I used for many, many years, but I found that the whetstone doesn't really keep up with today's knife edge and the materials that go into today's knives. One of my favorites is Work Sharp. I've been a big Work Sharp fan for a lot of years. My very first one was the original Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener. Then of course there's the Ken Onion Work Sharp sharpener, and they all come with this guide that lets you know angles, types of blades, because certain types of blades have different angles and different bevels, and what the Work Sharp tools do is they basically reshape your blade. Even if you've got old beat up blades, you can bring any knife back to life with a Work Sharp sharpener. For people that want to keep it a little bit more simple, there's the combo knife sharpener, one belt, one speed. It's basically just repetition. It's got a little honing edge here too after you're all done to smooth out the edges. Guided field sharpener, this is in my pack, but this is a very new product. This is the guided pack sharpener. I highly recommend that you buy a few of these, put them in your pack, in your tackle box, in your glove box. It also has instructions, and it gives you how to sharpen just about any knife in the field. So you've got the edge here, very, very simple. With these angles here, it shows you exactly the angle that you keep your knife blade at as you sharpen it. Then your honing edge, again, starting at that angle. Follow the guides, follow the guides. So obviously, when you're in the field, whether you're cleaning a duck or a deer or an elk, it helps if you have a sharp knife. This should be part of everyone's pack from Work Sharp.